In previous class, I explained about difference between 2D and 3D. What is 2D and what is 3D? After that, I explained plane figure and solid figure. Now today I am going to explain perimeter. Already I have explained perimeter, and today I am going to explain how to calculate perimeter. After that, what is the area, lateral surface area, volume, and surface area, right? In previous class, I explained about perimeter. What is the meaning of perimeter? The sum of measure of all the sides is called perimeter. The sum of measure of all the sides is called perimeter. Concentrate everyone here. Yes. Geometrical figure can be any figure. Listen carefully everyone. Don't write. In previous class, I explained what is perimeter. The sum of measure of all the sides is called perimeter. A distance around circular region is called circumference or perimeter. Now listen carefully. If I want to find out perimeter, suppose this figure is rectangle ABCD. Don't write, listen carefully everyone. This figure is ABCD. I want to find out perimeter. This length is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Listen carefully everyone, don't write anything. How to calculate perimeter? If I want to calculate any perimeter of any geometrical figure, firstly I want to take one point. From that point, either I can go clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. If I want to find out perimeter of any geometrical figure, firstly I want to take one point. From that point we can go either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Suppose I have taken this point A, I want to go clockwise direction. Clockwise means AD, DC, CB and ABA. We can go anti-clockwise also. AB, BC, CD, DA. It is not fixed means we can go only clockwise. You can go clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Now how to calculate perimeter? Don't write, listen carefully. Perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. I want to add all the length. 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. This is the picture of perimeter. With the help of formula also we can find out perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice into length plus breadth. This is not our syllabus. For understanding purpose I have explained to you. Now keep adding everyone. Area. Everyone keep adding. Area. Left side keep adding. Area. Area. Now down, what is area? Area is the region covered by closed plane figure. Note down. Area is the region covered by closed plane figure. Today's class is very important class, student. Area is the region covered by closed plane figure. Yes. What is the meaning of region? Region means nothing but boundary. Area is the region covered by closed plane figure. First star point. If figure is the plane figure, then only we can find out the area. Plane figure have area. Plane figures have area. Second star point, area describes area describes area describes the amount of space the amount of space the amount of space enclosed. Third star point, very important point. Third, the measurement of area is done in square units. The measurement the measurement of area is done in square units. This point is very important point. Square units, which can be, comma, which can be centimeter, cm, meter, and so on. Next star point, shapes having two dimensions, that is length and width, have area. Shapes having two dimensions, two dimension means 2D, that is length and width, length and width have area. Very clear picture I have given about area. Draw this figure very clearly, student. This is area. Suppose this is length and this is breadth or width. If I'm talking about perimeter, if I'm talking about perimeter, sum of measure of all the sides. Means I want to take one point, this length plus this length plus this length plus this length. This is perimeter. Don't fill inside. Inside means that is area in perimeter. In the case of perimeter, only I want to write all the four sides. Yes. Now keep heading. Surface area. Area and surface area both are different. Yesterday, Vivek Arya has given answer difference between area and surface area. If I am talking about area, we are talking about only 2D figure. If I am talking about surface area, that figure will be three-dimensional figure. Now keep heading surface area. Surface area. The total area of the surface, the total area of the surface, the total area of the surface the total area of the surface of a three-dimensional figure of a three-dimensional object, a figure of a three-dimensional objects. Underline three-dimensional objects. Three-dimensional objects. Three-dimensional objects. Next, keep heading lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Listen carefully, students. What is the meaning of lateral surface area? If I'm talking about lateral surface area, I don't want to include base and top. Base and top means it is also called as area of four wall. Area of four wall. If I am, suppose one cuboid is there, cuboid, how many faces are there? Six faces are there. In cube or cuboid, six faces are there. If I don't want to take base and top, that is called lateral surface area. Again, listen my word very carefully. What is the difference between surface area and total surface area and lateral surface area? If I am talking about total surface area, means I want to include total six faces. But if I'm talking about lateral surface area, I don't want to include top and top and base. Top and base face. Note down. The lateral surface area, the lateral surface area, the lateral surface area of an object, of an object is all sides of objects, all sides of the object, all side of the object, excluding its base and top, excluding, excluding its base and top. Means total six faces are there. I am observing here total how many faces are there? Four faces. Underline this, excluding base and top. excluding base and top. Yes. Now keep heading. Cuboid. First concept I am going to explain here. Cuboid concept. Cube and cuboid. Now so many basics I have completed. Now I am going to deep in my subject. Keep heading cuboid. A solid figure, a solid figure bounded by six rectangular regions is called a cuboid. Note down. A solid figure, a solid figure a solid figure bounded by a solid figure bounded by six rectangular six rectangular regions is called a cuboid. Is called a cuboid. Is called a cuboid. Draw this figure. This is cuboid. Length, breadth, and this is height. You are observing, students, in this figure, how many rectangles are there? There are six rectangular lesions. One front, second is back, two, left, right, four, up and down, six. Now I am going to prove surface area of cuboid. We know area of area of rectangle length into breadth, and in this cuboid, how many rectangular region is there? There are six rectangular region, like area of first rectangle length into breadth, area of second rectangle length into breadth, area of third rectangle length into breadth. Like that we can go area of six rectangle length into breadth. I want to add all this 6 area of rectangle, then it will become surface area of cuboid. Note down, surface area of cuboid, surface area of cuboid surface area of cuboid, yes, surface area of cuboid is equal to surface area of cuboid is equal to area of, this is area shortcut, area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2 plus area of rectangle 3 plus area of rectangle 4 plus area of rectangle 5 and plus area of rectangle 6. Now we know area of rectangle 1, length into breadth is equal to first rectangle length into breadth, second rectangle also length into breadth. First area length into breadth plus area of second rectangle, if I'm talking about, that will be also, no, area of first rectangle is student, length is appearing and height is appearing. L into H plus L into B plus L into H plus L into B plus B into H plus B into H. Now you are observing here, length into H one time, length into H one time, two times, length into breadth two times, length into breadth here two times, and B into H also three times. Now surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into L into B L into B, L into H, L into S two times, twice into L into H plus twice into L into B plus twice into B into H. Now 2 I am taking common. Surface area of cuboid is equal to twice LB plus BH plus HL. This is the surface area of cuboid formula. We can interchange the terms, students. LH is there, we can take LHS, HL last, no problem. But one sequence will be there, length and breadth, breadth and height and length. Surface area of cuboid is equal to twice into LB plus BH plus HL. Next key heading, cube. Now key heading, cube. Yeah, I want to ask this question. What is the difference between cube and cuboid? Yes, a cuboid. Don't confuse cuboid. Sir, you are explaining cube. How cuboid is coming? Don't worry. First, listen that statement very carefully. A cuboid, a cuboid whose length, a cuboid whose length, a cuboid whose length, comma breadth and height are equal, and height are equal is called cube. Is called cube. Yes, a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal is called cube. Draw one figure. If I'm talking about cube, I want to draw square figure. If I'm talking about cuboid, I want to draw rectangle figure. Here, all the sides are equal. Yeah. Suppose I'm assuming this square, this cube, all side is a, small a, length, width and height, each and every side is a. Because in cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal, that is called cube. Means length, breadth and height all are equal. Then just now we have learned surface area of cuboid formula. What is surface area of cuboid? Twice L into B plus B into H plus H into L. If all sides are equal, I want to substitute in the place of L, B, H, A into A plus A into A plus A into A twice A square plus A square plus A square. 1A square, 2A square, 3A square is equal to 2 into 3A square is equal to 6A square. This is surface area of cube formula. Surface area of cube is equal to surface area of cube is equal to 6A square. Surface area of cube is equal to 6A square. Surface area of cube is equal to 6A square. You are observing, students, why I have given definition of cuboid concept, because with the help of a surface area of cuboid, I have proved surface area of cube formula. Yes. surface area of cube is equal to 6 into a square. What is the meaning of a here? A is the length of cube, where a is the length of cube. Where a is equal to length of cube. Area of four wall of a room. Okay, thank you class, time up.